So today we're going to be running a football for runners and kids. So my name is Christy and I'm a football player. So we're going to start. So this is what we're going to start with. So we're going to start with attacking like this. So your opponent is right there and you have the ball. And the opponent is coming to get you. And you're just going to go like this. You're going to go like that. And then you're going to score.
While he's doing that, subscribe for Ronaldo and like for Messi. If you like Ronaldo, subscribe. If you like Messi, like. Okay. If you don't like neither, comment which one you like or you don't prefer.
Okay. So next, we're going to do some high kicks. Oh, no, not high kicks. We're going to do some. If a person's attacking you, you're going to do a high kick to get off the opponent to get to the other side, like this. Like a high kick.
Can you show that again?
Yes.
Look at the ball where it's going.
Yes, it's going.
See how fast that is going.
It's going high up too. So my the trick is it's going and the ball is going up. So like this.
See how fast that went? It's going to just bounce back to you. That's how fast you should kick it.
And another top tip, we're going to do like this. A ball going like that. Then we're going that way, but that's my goal. But suddenly, I'm going like this, and it's just going without no one knowing it. Because they're thinking I'm going to score my goal, but I'm not. I'm just going to go like this. It's going their goal. So now we're going to do this. It's another tip, and you're going to the middle, but I'm going to tap. You're going like this, and then score. And then and then they're going to kick inside me on my goal. And I just need to you can use your hands and your head and your feet. You can use your whole body.
Except your hands. Only when you're a goalkeeper you use your hands. Just to let you know. Now continue, Krishna.
And sometimes people do this to score. I'm going to do this at the end for silly.
For silliness, he meant.
Trivia time. So, we're going to do this.
He meant top tips or something like that. Please just don't try it at home if you don't feel like it. He's just doing this to make you, more like, wow, this is so good. But I don't think that's going to happen with you guys.
So, this can't happen to me sometimes. You do it like this. You just slide it. You just go like this. You just go like that. Like that. And sometimes, if you can do it, this is the end. So please subscribe. I'm going to do the silly part. Okay? So
He's doing the silly one. Please watch.
There's only one of these. So if you're here and there's no opponent in the goal, you can do this. You can just slide it and you can do this. And that's it. You get a point. If no one's there.
Yes.
You Bye. My name is Krishna, by the way. Yeah, more videos are going to come up.
Bye, guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye.